Hi guys, hope everyone watching this video is okay. Someone asked me to show out on how to use a washing machine, and here with me I have a front load washer, and here is the door, the machine. So for you to use this kind of machine, first you need to connect it with water. So it has a pipe down, and then you connect it to the tap of water, and then you put the tap on. After putting the tap on, and you connect the machine to the power, becomes on. For me, I want to wash some small clothes. Like I have set my machine for 3.5 kgs. So I'm going to put some clothes that weighs 3 kgs or 3.5 or less, or you can choose. There are buttons here to choose what you want to wash, but for me, I just want to wash some small clothes. So here's the door. I take my clothes in. After putting my clothes in, you close the door, and then you open here for soap. So guys, here you put your soap, here you put your Star Soft, and whatever. So here with me, I use this kind of a soap, that small, because it is so soapy. I don't use Star Soft, so it's like that. Then I close here, then I put start. I hope you guys are seeing the start button. So if the machine is on like that, you just press once, and it gives that sound of starting to wash. The machine is already washing. So, but if it is closed like this, you just press 1, 2, and 3, and then it starts wash. Hi, thank you guys. Please make sure you like my video, you share, you comment, ask for more videos. Let's see you on comments on what you want to know. Tell me on what you want to see next time. Bye bye.